Shapes. Word comes with a set of ready-made shapes that you can use in your document. You can resize, rotate, flip, color and combine the shapes with other shapes to make more complex shapes. The Shapes command on the Insert tab contains several categories of shapes including lines, basic shapes, flowchart, stars and banners, and callouts. To draw a shape from the Shapes command, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the Insert tab. 2. Click on the Shapes command. 3. Select any shape from the available shapes. 4. Drag the pointer in the document area to draw the selected shape and release the mouse button when the shape is of the desired size. Adding text into the shape. Word allows you to write text inside a shape. To do so, follow the given steps. 1. Right-click inside the shape. 2. Select Add Text option. 3. Type the text and then click anywhere on the screen outside the shape. Formatting shapes. Word allows you to format shapes by changing the outline color and fill color of the shapes. It also allows you to add different types of shape effects such as 3D and bevel. Let us learn about these in detail.
Changing outline color of a shape. To change the outline color of a shape, follow the given steps.
1. Click on the shape to select it. 2. Click on the Format tab. 3. Click on the Shape Outline command. 4. Choose the outline color and thickness.
Changing color of a shape.
To change the color of a shape, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the shape to select it. 2. Click on the Format tab. 3. Click on Shape Fill command. 4. Choose the fill color. Adding shape effects. Word provides various types of shape effects to change the look of a shape, such as preset, shadow, reflection, glow, soft edges, bevel, and 3D rotation. Let us learn how to add 3D effects. Adding 3D effects. There are two kinds of 3D effects in Word that can be applied to the shapes to give them a 3D appearance. 3D rotation effect. To apply 3D rotation effect, follow the given steps. 1. Select the shape. 2. Click on the Format tab. 3. Click on Shape Effects command. 4. Place the mouse over 3D rotation option from the menu. 5. Select the desired rotation effect. Bevel effect. Bevel adds thickness and rounded edges to shapes. To apply the bevel effect, follow the given steps. 1. Select the shape. 2. Click on the Format tab. 3. Click on Shape Effects command. 4. Place the mouse over bevel option. 5. Select the desired bevel effect.